friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now I'm going to show how to download and install the iOS 15 public beta on your iPhone or iPad. After promising to release iOS and iPadOS 15 to the public in July, Apple today seeded new iOS and iPadOS 15 beta updates to its public beta testing group, giving them the opportunity to try out the new software ahead of its fall launch. Signing up to get the iOS and iPadOS 15 beta is super easy and can be done by enrolling an iPhone or iPad in Apple's free Apple Beta software program. That said, let's learn how to install the iOS 15 public beta on iPhone or iPad. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, I would recommend you to back up your iPhone or iPad to ensure your data remains safeguarded, because beta software is always buggy and causes a number of issues, so ensure that your device has been fully backed up before going ahead. Once you have backed up your iPhone or iPad, open Safari and then navigate to the Apple Beta software program website. Then tap the sign up button and then enter your Apple ID, credentials, or sign in with your Apple ID if you have signed up to beta test a previous update. Agree to the Apple Beta software program terms and conditions if required. Then sign in. You will see a main screen that's guide for public betas. Click on iOS or iPadOS if you are installing an iPad. Then read through Apple's instructions carefully, and then using the link in the Get Started section, select Enroll your iOS device. Next up, scroll down and then tap the Download Profile button. When you see a pop-up that says the website is trying to download a configuration profile, tap on Allow. Then open up the Settings app on your iOS device and then tap on the Profile Downloaded section that's located right below your Apple ID information. In the upper right corner of the screen, tap on Install. Then enter your passcode and then tap Install again. If you have a prior beta profile installed, you may need to remove it at this point under General Profile and redo the above steps. Otherwise, agree to the consent text and tap Install a third time. Then tap Done. Your phone will prompt you to restart. From there, go back to the main settings screen. Then under General, choose Software Update and then download and install the iOS 15 public beta. Once the beta update has been downloaded, you can tap on Install Now to get it set up, and from there the iPhone will install the software, restart, and you will be up and running with the iOS 15 software. It's worth noting that iOS 15 supports all the iOS 14 supported devices. That means you'll be able to download and install iOS 15 on your iPhone 6s or earlier, or all iPad Pro models, iPad Air 2 or later, iPad 5 or later, iPad Mini 5 or later. That's all there is to it. So that's the way you can download and install iOS 15 public beta on your iPhone or iPad. If you have found this guide helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such helpful tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.